Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom by the skin of your teeth, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The simple meaning of this idiom is to barely manage to complete something, like narrowly succeeding to turn in a project before the deadline. Let's say that a student was way behind in his work and stressing because exam day was getting closer. For a few weeks running up to his exams, he put his head down and studied hard. I'm so happy I put in all that hard work over the last few weeks. I've passed my exam by the skin of my teeth. Here are some further examples, firstly in social situations. After the criminal robbed the bank, he evaded the police. We had him surrounded, but he slipped past us by the skin of his teeth. Don't worry, we're still tailing him. The rock climber planned to make it to the top of the mountain, but slipped before he reached the summit. I slipped just at the edge when I was climbing up. I grabbed a rock and was saved by the skin of my teeth. The team went 3 goals up in their cup final match and thought they would win until the opposition scored 2 late goals. I was so worried in those last few minutes, but we held on by the skin of our teeth for the win. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The interviewers had to choose between 2 candidates. I prefer this guy. I think he clinches it by the skin of his teeth because of his background experience. The manager expected his team to have the project ready to present for Thursday morning. We've worked very hard on this for weeks, boss, and we just got it finished by the skin of our teeth. With the company in transition, staff needed to take initiative and go above and beyond for a couple of weeks. When I took the meeting with those clients, I was nervous, but everything went well and I was successful, although just by the skin of my teeth. Where did you hear the expression, by the skin of my teeth? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.